Hello and welcome to CM's channel. Woo-hoo-hoo. Today we gotta unbox something, I think. Because I had this for a while. Yeah, what is that? Exactly, like this. It's wireless microphones. And we gotta open it up and see if we can get some better sound on this camera. So that's what we gotta do.
Where did you buy them?
This is happening again. I'm sitting here and trying to make an intro, and the wife is saying something. CM, what was your question?
Where did you bought it?
I bought it online.
Where exactly?
I used on my computer. I bought it online. I used my computer. I don't know which shop. It is long time since I bought it, but we didn't have the time nor the energy. It's bullshit. Of course, we had everything of those, but we just have not got around to use it yet. So today we will unbox this one, and we will try the mics, and we will make a video where the sound is crispy and nice. That's what we gotta do. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned and watch the unboxing of those microphones. Is it running?
Yeah, it is.
We gotta unbox this one. This is wireless microphone. And yeah, let's rip it open. La 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 la. Like this, like this, like this. So basically this is a box. And inside the box there will be is the product. Correct him, very nice. And oh, there is this one. We'll put that away. And there is this case.
Wow.
That's actually nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess this is the microphones. So a microphone will look like this. Right, this is a microphone. There's a clip, you can put it in your clothes, or if you're naked, maybe you got a necklace you can put it on. I don't know. That's how it's gonna be. So that is one of those, and there is one more here, I guess. Exactly, one more, and I think this is the transmitter that you will put to the camera. So my wife is trying to tell me something. What are you trying to tell? So, and I guess this is the transmitter. Hey, and you can drop it, and it's sturdy, so it actually survived. Aren't we just lucky? I don't know how she's gonna do it, so we will just turn it around like this. I think this is a transmitter. So this is a transmitter. You will put it on the camera, as I understand it, and you will have the receiver, it says. And transmitter and transmitter. So this is a receiver. You will put that on the camera, and you got two transmitters that will be in. There will be mic in there. There is a little mic input, so you can actually put a. I think they call it lever something mic, something with L. I cannot lav mic. You can put a lav mic into that hole. You can also charge it, and there is a button. I don't know what to use it for. Anyway. That's what inside it, and then we got other things in here. I will just take it one by one. There is some cable, there is some... I think maybe there is lav mics including in this package. I didn't know that. I bought it for a while back. Oh, there is a clips, and there is a dead cat, and a clips and a dead cat. So my guess is that one of this here is... It's actually microphones, so it actually came including mics. I didn't even remember that. Here we got some cable. Oh, can I get it to focus? Yeah, maybe there. So we got some cable, and you can see it's like this. You can stretch it. Oh my, you can stretch it. That's nice. That's nice and stretchable. And here we got another one. It's also cable. So I guess I will figure out what I'm gonna use those cables for. Here we got, my guess is some more cables. I love those small things here. Yeah, here we got the level. We got the lav mics here. So there is 2 lav mics, and that's where the Dead Cat and the clips and the other package came into play. So you can actually use that. But there is also a built-in, if this is the right one, there is also a built-in mic here, so you can just put it. On your clothes, or as I told you earlier, if you're naked, if you got a necklace, you can put it around there if you do those kind of things, and you can hear your sound. So let's figure out how this is. A little later, we got this one. I think this is charging cables, is my guess. If I just had something to open it. Yeah, you got some charging cables there. So it comes with charging cables and everything you need to do, and there's Dead Cat and there's clips. I don't remember what the price of this was, but it was a lot cheaper than buying the Rode Wireless Mic Go, or whatever it's called. And everybody who tested it, when I looked at it, they said it's around the same quality of sound you're getting out of it. So now we can try the microphones when I get around to it. And I don't know where this one came from. If this was actually in the... Where did this come from? Maybe it was in there. I don't know. I think it fell out. This I got no clue. But you can always use an extra of that. So that is that. And then of course there is this one that I will not read before I don't know what not to do, and then I will read it. So that's it. Bye bye.